2022 Yamaha YZF R1 is the Superbike of Legends.
Watch POWAMOTO.
Introducing POWAMOTO, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw.
POWAMOTO. This thing's a 2021 R1. It's not the M model, but it's still written to be an M model, just without the suspension on it.
Look at this thing.
Carbon fiber tail, carbon fiber underneath, carbon fiber winglets. We've done the front nose, we've done the intake in carbon fiber, we've done the front fender in carbon fiber. We put on the winglets.
Carbon fiber. Viewers want to know. All this carbon. What does it do?
Oh, it lightens you up so much more. These here, between these being down and the winglets being down, unfortunately with the R1,
Pushes the force
the
down.
R1 has such a hard time with the front nose being so light. It wants to bounce up at high, as soon as you get up to the high speeds, it wants to jump up.
She wants to come up?
It wants to come up.
Show us how she comes up. Let's go for a ride.
And with the winglets, when you start getting about 175 miles an hour or so, it keeps that front nose right on the ground, keeps you planted into it so you can peek it out and roll it.
175? You're not kidding.
Easy.
Show me right now on POWAMOTO. Subscribe today.
Revered as one of the greatest motorcycles of all time, the Yamaha R1 has been dominating the track and the roads for well over 20 plus years until this point. After major overhaul back in 2020, the newest generation of R1 continues to storm on into the sunset, with very minor changes in the last 2 years, this year included. The R1 comes complete with a 998 inline 4mm, capable of an astounding 198 horsepower and 88 foot-pounds of torque. The rider safely systems that help manage the beast of an engine got an update last year, meaning that the anti-wheelie, anti-skid, and stability control systems have an all-new map that's been applied and carried over to 2022. For an added layer of track performance, Yamaha offers an M edition, making it an R1M. That's right, the R1M is a track-oriented street weapon that brings some key performance components to the table, such as Olean's dynamic suspension system, carbon fiber composite fairings, and a GPS tracking Yamaha communications control unit to allow for logging on the track. The 2022 Yamaha YZF R1 starts at $17,599 US and only $22,199 Canadian. So as you can see, my brother here has outfitted his bike with all the best carbon fiber bits and lightened the weight, making it so smooth you can see as I go through the turns. Amazing how she just pops and revs. This R1 is legendary. With its 998cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder, dual overhead cam, 16 valves, and 198 horsepower weighing only 443 pounds wet. And when you get an R1 standard from the factory and twist the throttle, it's not gonna pop and flame. Unlike this model, which has had an ECU flash with a pop and flame tune by Blaze Cycle. That's right, the owner's goal was to make this all carbon fiber R1M without the R1M price tag. These winglets and Rizoma stealth mirrors were added to help with the downforce to keep the front nose on the ground until he wants to bring it up for more power to the moto on POWAMOTO. And so today, you have learned why the Yamaha R1 is the Superbike of Legends. With its amazing riding position, fast track performance, and lightweight, unparalleled history in the motorcycle industry, you now know why POWAMOTO says the R1 by Yamaha is a must-buy, not a pass, not a rented, but a must-buy.
about this look. I love the yellow combination. What are you trying to do here? Now, this is not an M, so you took a base R1 and modified it in your own way.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me.
I'm doing my own custom look onto it. I didn't want to be like everybody else because everybody else does the same thing, so I want to be different. So I ended up taking, we're going to do yellow. I'm still not done with it yet. I haven't decided yet. Maybe the YouTubers can tell us what they want to see, but I want to do, I'm thinking yellow stripes and doing yellow stripes down on the side of it to accent the yellow sides that I did on the side.
Sexy. What? Oh, all right! All right! All right! She's awesome, bro. So, can I ask you a question?
If you liked this video, check out these other motorcycle review videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out.